All right, this is what's left of your answers of Unit 6, Week 1. We did most of the grammar already. The last page you had assigned was page 120. At the top, it said put brackets around the word or words that form a comparative or superlative adjective. Write C if it's comparative, S if it's superlative. On number 1, we have more amazing, which makes it comparative. Number 2, most astounding, which makes it superlative. Number 3, strongest, EST makes it superlative. Funnier makes it comparative. And most unbelievable makes it superlative. At the bottom, you are supposed to take the word in parentheses and write the correct adjective form on the line. For number 6, we would want to say more clever, most hilarious, scariest, louder, and more spectacular. All right. We have actually gone over all of the spelling in class, so that should be taken care of. So let's take a look at our practice book. On 256, lithium, the world's newest commodity. This is the text feature genre page. What process does the text explain? Basically, this explains how lithium is mined. How did the diagram and caption help you understand this process? They show you that the lithium is pumped from a layer of liquid brine up to the Earth's surface. Why are some people concerned about lithium mining? It can damage the environment. Anytime you're putting brine or anything into the earth, it could damage the environment. Moving right along on 257. These are Latin roots. We talked about how you can use these root words, these Latin roots, to solve words you don't know. You take the word converting. The root is vert. And as you look at the top, you can see vert means turn. So turning water into ice is an easy process, or converting water into ice. Reflection, you see fleck. Fleck is to bend or to break. The sentence, an example would be, the moon's reflection was on the pond. Technology, you got the ology, which is the study of or the science of. Is technology catching up with science fiction? Described, you see scribe or scrib, which is to write. The witness described the accident. And number 5, designs. You see sign. Sign means sign. His drawings and designs are beautiful. 258, this is more like our spelling. You can see here we have the IBLE and ABLE. At the top, you just added the ending and circled the correct form. And at the bottom, you took the word from the box and you just circled the ending. Last but not least, page 260. What are these paragraphs about? Circle the sentence that introduces the topic. The story of Salt and Not So Golden Touch. The illustrators use pictures to help the reader understand the text. The story of Salt, for example, the picture of colonists trading goods for salt across continents. Number 2, draw a box on 2 sentences that show different sentence patterns. You can see sometimes text features also help the reader figure out information that is not in the text, for example. And text features, no, I guess that would be the only one. Underline the strong conclusion that restates the topic. Text features of both stories help the reader easily understand the text. The story of Salt includes pictures that give little more information and help the reader fully understand. Finally, adverbs. Well, a lot of times they're ly words like easily or fully. Sometimes you take a word like often, describes the verb. I often read the book. Okay? Any questions? Just ask.